morning, Your Honor. Julie Schlax appearing on behalf of Leroy Whitaker, who approaches and stands to my left.
All right, we're here for pretrial conference in Mr. Whitaker's case, and along with co-defendants, I know he is set for trial in August.
Yes, Your Honor. And we do, and I believe the court is aware of this, we do have further depositions, which represent some of the last depositions necessary for trial of the case. I believe April 10th, April 11th, and potentially April 17th.
Correct.
Your Honor.
So I set pretrial in both of Mr. Robinson's, the two Mr. Robinson's cases for April 18th. So I'll do the same here unless y'all need to come back before me for any other reason.
We likely do, Your Honor. There are two motions that the defense has filed. One pertains solely to my client. It is a motion to permit his marriage.
Okay.
I have explained to my client that if the court were to grant it, that there was logistical, the practical implications of accomplishing it within the current parameters of the Duval County Jail and their health concerns. I honestly don't know if we can accomplish it because they're still not allowing civilians into the jail.
Yeah, and I was going to say, regardless of whatever I order, I can't tell JSO what to do or not do. I can't order them to let anyone in that they wouldn't otherwise let anyone in. So yes, I agree with you there. And I've not heard of them changing that policy currently.
Agreed, Your Honor, and I have explained that to my client. He still asked that I file a formal motion. He does very strongly feel that he would like to get married. I can tell the court candidly, I have also spoken to the person that he desires to marry. She also wishes for this to occur. I don't know if the court wanted to hear from the state or.
Well, I'm starting trial here shortly, so I don't want to have full-blown hearing. If there is an objection, then we'll schedule it for a hearing. Sure. If there's not, I'll address it when I have time to do an order.
Judge, as long as it's not anyone associated with the case, the state has no objection to.
And who is the bride to be?
I don't have the name.
Brian.
Is her name on the motion?
I'm sorry, I just want to make sure I had her last name correct. It's Natalia Cruz.
Okay.
Is that spelled U-U or?
And state, is that anyone associated with the case?
No, Your Honor, that name does not sound familiar.
Okay. All right, then I'll get appropriate written order out. What was the second motion?
The second, and my understanding in talking to the co-defendants attorneys is they actually wanted to join into this motion. They may not have realized that I filed it. I will make sure that they are aware of that today.
Okay.
But we did a motion to seek an order compelling answers to specific certified questions. I thought I had some court courtesy copy.
I have the courtesy copy. I see it was filed January 13th. Neither of the other co-counsel, co-defendants counsel mentioned that during their pretrial conferences today, so I don't know if they were aware of it.
But at the court's pleasure, as long as we set the hearing prior to April 10th, when we're going to do the continuation of those depositions, we certainly have plenty of time. If the court wants to give us the date now, or if the court wants to be coordinated with the other attorneys just in case they want to.
Yeah, I mean, if they want to join in, I don't know if they're going to file their own motion or at least some sort of pleading saying they're adopting your motion. I think we'd need to know that before I schedule a hearing.
I agree. Judge, perhaps Ms. Schlack can reach out to them, and if they're going to, they could file that and they can coordinate potential dates and maybe email your JA, and then we can.
And then we can.
I'm certainly happy to do that.
Then we can move a court date up, but just for now, to keep everyone together, I'll just give you that same April 18th date. And then once that's coordinated with counsel, we can put it on for any Monday to be set between now and April, with the exception of Monday, March 11th. I am not here that week.
Certainly are.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.